Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today I have another collab video for you. I'm going to do the Draw My Makeup challenge together with Ally from her YouTube channel AllyBrianne. She has an awesome YouTube channel. She does a lot of different content, a lot of makeup reviews, skincare reviews. I love her skincare videos. She does amazing looks, she does tutorials and a lot of collabs and a lot of very fun stuff, and I enjoy watching her so much. She's one of the few channels where I really watch every video that she posts, so I really love her. She has such an amazing personality. She's such a sweet and kind person and I just love collabing with her. And we did a Disney collab together. If you want to see it, I will link it down below. And if you are not subscribed to her, I would highly recommend it to you. So go check out her channel and her video after watching this one, of course. And now let's start with our little challenge. So she has drawn a look for me and I have drawn one for her. And here's what I got from her. So it's a green and pink look and I love it. It was so much fun deciding what colors to pick, so I've decided to go with my Tribe palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the green in the top right corner because I think it's a pretty good color match. And then for the pinks I'm going into my ColourPop Ooh La La palette and I'm going to use the color Soft Core and Tickled. And here are some swatches of our color story for the day. I think they look very pretty together, so I can't wait to start playing with them. Now I'm starting with the green eyeshadow and I'm using my Sigma E25 brush here. It's a bit more of a denser brush and it's perfect for packing on color. But as you can see, the shadow is pretty sheer, so I have to really build it up to get it a bit more intense. And I'm just buffing it into my crease here and I'm trying to stay above my lid so that I don't have any of the green color on my mobile lid, because that's where I want to place the pink color. So I don't want them to meet because then I think they would muddy up a bit. And that's a little tip for if you have hooded eyes, that's perfect. If you want to pair colors that not really go very well together, you can just apply one color in the crease and the other one on your lid, and because of your hood, the line will be pretty invisible, so people can't really see the transition from one color to the other, so you can kind of cover up if you can't really blend two colors together because nobody can really see it. So that's a little tip for you if you have hooded eyes. Make the best of it and pair colors that don't really blend into each other because it's so easy to cover it up. So as you can see, I'm building up a bit more color on my outer corner just to have a bit more darkness there. Then next I'm going in with the color Soft Core from my Ooh La La palette, and I'm using a flat shader brush and I'm just packing this color on all over my mobile lid. I think these two colors are, I don't know, kind of the similar tone. I think they have the right amount of grunge both to each other. And I don't know, although they are pretty opposite colors, I think they go very well together. I think they look amazing together. Then next I'm going in with the color Tickled. I'm using my Morphe M213 brush here and I'm applying it to my inner corner, and then I'm also bringing it onto my mobile lid and I'm stopping about halfway. This shadow is very beautiful. It's a very light pinky metallic and it has a lot of glitter in it, and it's a bit more on the chunky side, but it's beautiful. And sometimes I can also see a bit of blue glitter in it, not always. It depends on which colors I pair it with, and it looks so beautiful. And I think it's the perfect shadow for this look. Now I'm going to tap a bit more on with my finger just to give it a bit more shine. Then I'm going back in with my Sigma brush and the green color from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just buffing a bit over the edges. Then next, for my lower lash line, I'm taking this eye pencil here from Colourpop. It's called Teaspoon. I don't really have a green that is the color of my crease. I only have like blue toned greens because that's what I usually prefer. And I think we will make it work. So I'm just applying it to my waterline and I'm also going to run it a bit through my lash line. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and the green eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm just buffing over this eye pencil because I want to give it a bit more of the green color that we have in our crease. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. It's from Essence, it's called I Love Extreme, and it's kind of dried out now, but I want to use it one more time. So I have already a backup of it, but I'm going to use it today one last time. Now here you can see our finished look, and in comparison to the picture I think it looks pretty good. I think my crease color is a bit too light and a bit too sheer, but other than that I think it's a pretty good match. So it was so much fun to do this challenge and to create this video together with Ally. I can't wait to see how my look turned out on her, and it's so much fun to see that we both drawn different looks, different techniques and different colors, but we both went for kind of an unusual color combination, I would say. So I can't wait to watch her video. So I would say let's hop over to Ally's channel together now and watch her video. And don't forget to subscribe to her and to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I wish you all a beautiful day.